very, very strong pillar for the tribals community.
Incidents of sexual crimes against women and children are on the rise and have been a serious affair for the law enforcing agencies. Expressing serious concern over rising crime against women and children in Meghalaya, Meghalaya Assembly Women's Panel Chairperson Santa Mary Shylla categorically stated that no woman or child should suffer in the state of Meghalaya. She also expressed concern over the large number of pending cases related to sexual crimes against women and children. The Committee on Women's Empowerment visited various districts and Shylla said things are not moving in a way it is supposed to move. The committee is involving district administration and police to ensure that POCSO cases are not kept pending and the investigation should be done fast track.
Yes, I've told them that I've told all the districts that please see that there should be so much concern for the women, that they should be safe mainly, that you should not ignore them, because sometimes being a woman is very being ignored. But I told the police department and the SPs of all the districts that please see to that any crime against women, you should take action immediately, so that